Hi there, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax in Pompano Beach, Florida. I'm going to give you a walkthrough tour of a brand new 2020 Boston Whaler 320 Vantage. Boat's white hull, chrome graphics, looks awesome. We got the new V8 Mercury 300s in white with joystick piloting, underwater lights, automatic trim tabs. Let's hop aboard and show you some of the features. We got the fishing package on this boat, which gives you the rod storage here, the tulips, rocket launchers on top of the hardtop. And as we walk our way in, you're going to notice an expansive amount of dynamic seating. Look at this large transom bench seat. Comes nice and high up on your back. It's a very comfortable experience when you're underway with your passengers. We also have an award-winning dynamic seating system here, so we can get two forward-facing rows of seats. We can put this down, we can put it up. You can use this as a nice social zone here. Looking over at the starboard side, you have a 12-volt cockpit refrigerator, a live wall if you want to do some fishing. Great boat for that. Also a nice grill which runs off an electric inverter system. Let's work our way forward. The boat is equipped with the joystick piloting system, skyhook, autopilot, etc. Nice 16-inch Raymarine Axiom screen, Fusion Bluetooth stereo. Port side opens up to a nice lounge seating area. Also turns into a berth if you wanted to kind of sleep in for the night or get out of the sun. It's a great place. Across from that on the starboard side, we got our head with electric flush toilet, overboard discharge. And working forward, look at this expansive bow. Grab handles below the gunnels, cup holders recessed so your drinks won't spill. Great place to cruise. And then through hull, anchor windlass with remote controls here and at the helm. Again, it's Justin Costello, MarineMax Pompano Beach, 954-633-2070. Give us a call, I'd love to show you this 2020 Boston Whaler 320 Vantage.